Hello everybody. I'd like to spend just a couple of minutes talking to you about the impact of the COVID pandemic on infrastructure services. As chair of the Infrastructure Services Committee, I'm very proud of the response of our staff and the work that they have done since March to keep services running across Aberdeenshire. On behalf of you all, I'd like to thank them for their commitment and their hard work in what have been very difficult circumstances. But what is infrastructure services? What does it involve? It includes roads, landscape services and waste, economic development and protective services, transportation and planning. The Aberdeenshire Council budget is around £600 million a year. Within that, the budget for infrastructure services is slightly less than £70 million. And of that £70 million, £48 million is invested in roads, landscape services and waste. I don't think anybody can be in any doubt any longer about the impact of the COVID pandemic on all public and private sector organisations. In that context, infrastructure services is no exception. We've seen a loss of income of about £3 million since April in fees that have not come in or revenue that has been lost. For example, the sales from our quarries are down by £1.3 million. And at the same time, our costs have increased. Delivering vital services such as waste right across Aberdeenshire, while following the requirements of social distancing and following the guidance of the Scottish and UK governments, means things have to be done differently. And sadly, it means they've cost more to deliver. And no furlough is available for council staff. Aberdeenshire Council, along with the rest of the public sector, is not eligible for furlough payments. And so we've had to introduce rigorous cost control since April, and we're in the process of recasting our budget, and that will be brought forward in November. We've had some very welcome support from government, but sadly this has not been enough to fill the hole that has been created. We face very difficult times ahead, and very uncertain times. Things will not be going back to as they were in March. There can be no easy return to normal. We'll have to prioritise, and some services may well cease altogether. Certainly, the way that we deliver services across Aberdeenshire will change. There is no choice on any of this, but we are, nevertheless, completely committed to delivering the best possible services across Aberdeenshire. Thanks very much for listening. I hope you and your family are safe, and I send you all my very best wishes. Thank you.